arguments concept is available. So method overriding, constructor overriding are the two implemented concepts of what? Python programming. And don't try to apply for Java. Java is polymorphism implemented by two concepts: method overriding, method overloading. Common topic for both of them is method overriding. Method overloading of Java is not there in the Python. Constructor overriding of Python is not there in Java. So that both of them are different. So how this method overriding will be there? How this method overriding will be there? What is the definition of polymorphism? What is the definition I said? The process of representing one form in multiple forms. The definition of polymorphism. The process of defining, the process of representing, the process of representing one form in multiple forms. One form in multiple forms is called polymorphism. Is called polymorphism. This is a very, very important. What do you mean by one form? One form represents what? And multiple form represents what? I want to write it. One form meaning I will write it. Multiple forms meaning I will write it. Multiple forms meaning also I will write it. What is the meaning of one form? What is the meaning of multiple forms? I will write it. And later I will also write it. What do you mean by form? That also I will mention in this class. Okay, first I will go for the example. Shall I go for the example? Here, method overriding. When I am using method overriding in the program, indirectly I am implementing what? Polymorphism. Let us go to the example. All the students in online need to carefully to understand. So I'm going to introduce. Let us mark these things, close these things. Now I'm introducing first example in the class. I'll go to this place. Here I am writing polymorphism example1.py. Students in online, did you understand the concept now? Did you understand the concept? I hope this concept is more clear. Try to respond, all of you. So, Manas Ranjan Patra. Sir, if parent and child property has the same name, then how we can access it? That's what we are going to discuss. Right? Come on now. Ranjan Patra. I think you are going to get it. So, concept must be clear. Now I'm going to take the things here. Shall we start now? So here I'm going to write it. Class, I'm going to take it. Circle I'm taking. Careful. Circle I'm taking. There I'm going to write it what? DEF, draw. I'm taking draw. Draw is one small function. Print of what? Circle draw. Circle draw. Circle draw function is calling. This is the one is calling. I'm taking one more type of class. Class, something like rectangle. Of what I'm saying? Circle. What is happening because of that? Draw is coming. Draw 1, I will take it. Here also I will take it what? DAF. Draw 2, I'm going to take it. Draw 2. I'm going to take it. Self. So here I'm going to write it. Circle, rectangle, draw. Rectangle draw, I'm going to take it. Are you able to follow now? So these parts, if you look at, in rectangle class, how many methods are there? Two methods are there. Create an object of what? Main program you go. Main program you take it. One more class you define it. Square also you try to take it. Important. So here I am writing square. Square. It is going to be called what? Rect. Now there I am going to take it. Draw 3 I am going to take it. Draw 3. Multi-level. Draw 3. This is going to be called as what? Square draw I am going to take it. Students, carefully try to follow. In this case, which class object I will create? Square I will create. S is equal to what? Square of. How many methods are there in square class? 3. So draw 3 physically available and draw 1, draw 2 are available logically, virtually. So when I'm going to create S dot draw 1 calling, S dot draw 2 calling, S dot draw 3 also calling, draw 3 also calling. So basically how many methods are using? 3. So total application, if you take it, how much memory space is taken? Yes, memory space. Draw 1, draw 2, draw 3 memory space is taken. That means 4. If it is a non-inheritance program, how many objects I have to create? 3. Plus 3 functions. Total how many? 6. So it is compared to non-inheritance program, inheritance is better, no? Inheritance is better. Okay. Try to run this now. This is going to be like this. Answer is coming or not? Answer is coming. Be careful, ma. Answer is coming. Now, 3 different memory spaces are taken for functions. One memory space is taken for square. That part you already know. So, today what I will do, this is called which example? Non-polymorphism example, but inheritance. Non-polymorphism is nothing but inheritance only. This example is non-polymorphism example. Such. Let us, because it's a very little confusing part for you. So here I will take a non-polymorphism. Example1.example.py. This example is non-polymorphism. Non-polymorphism case. So taken 3 objects, output is coming. Same thing. Is there any situation in Java or Python to reduce this memory space? The concept is polymorphism. Now I'm going to take up, remove. What is, now I am introducing polymorphism. Polymorphism is implemented by which concept? Method overriding as well as constructor overriding. First, I will talk about what? Method overriding. Go. Method overriding means what? Method heading is same, method body is different. Method heading is same, method body is different. Means what? Pen is same, but the refill printing is different. Green pen, same pen, green refill I took it, selected, working. Later I need blue pen, blue ink I want. Same pen, I just taken the green in and blue out. So same pen, what is different? Body is different. In this case, what is happening? In this case, what is happening? Draw 1 of what? Self. Draw 1 of self. Draw 1 of self. This draw 1, today I will take it as a draw. What is method overriding? You have to write DEF. Another draw I am doing it. There I am writing print of drawing rectangle. Where I am doing the method overriding in the same class, but it is not possible. Which one will be taken into consideration? Latest draw only will be taken into consideration. If I write it, C is equal to, what is this now? Circle of C dot what here? Draw. C dot draw. What will happen in that case? Which draw will be printed? This is the original method you define. You are trying to override. Overriding means what? Heading is same, body is different. So it is going to print the latest function only it will print. It will not print any time about this one. Are you following me? So suppose if I write on the top of this, if I write on the top of that, which one is coming? Drawing circle only. There is no way to call this method at all. That's why overriding should not be done in where? Overriding should not be done in the same class. If you want to do overriding, compulsory what we need? Inheritance is required. So I'm doing what here? Class. What is the class? Rect of what? Circle. And say pass. What is coming? What is coming? Muddubavulu. Draw method of circle class coming to rect class. Main program R is equal to rect of. R is equal to rect of. Which method is there in the class rect? Draw method, virtually available. I am calling what? R dot draw. R dot draw. Which answer is coming? Drawings, circle draw will come. Circle draw will come. So, but actually which class object I am creating? Rectangle. What is the method inherited? Draw method is inherited into rectangle. But I want to draw what? Rectangle. But which answer is coming? Draw circle. So what I will do? I don't want to draw circle. I want to draw rectangle. What I do? Earlier you have taken it what? Draw 1, draw 2, draw 3. Today I want to take it what? Whatever the method is getting inherited, I will take the same method. Draw off like. What I will do? I will write my own body there. So drawing or rectangle draw. Rectangle draw, I'm writing it. This method is called, see this symbolic notation here? This method is going to be inherited and you have written what? The red arrow says what? Overriding. This is known as what? Overridden method. Overridden method. Overridden method. This is called which method? Original method. Original method. Original method. Okay. R dot rectangle. Now follow the flow. Draw method. How many objects created? Two objects created. Draw method called with respect to R. R is an object of rect. Control goes to rect. Looking for draw. That time memory space is created. In that draw, rectangle draw output is coming in the memory. Are you following me? So output is coming in this case. See that the answer is coming here. Rectangle draw coming. Now immediately your doubt is, sir, I want to call this draw also. There I will call. How do you call? Like our inheritance, you cannot call self dot draw. If you write it, self dot what? Draw. What will happen? Same thing will be called by itself again and again, again and again, again and again. It will call. Run this code. You are going to get it. Draw, rectangle draw, rectangle draw, rectangle draw. It is calling continuously. But in the inheritance level, we can call. But in the over case, polymorphism case, we cannot do. Why it is polymorphism? How many draw methods I am having? Bodulu, come on. One draw method is there. Draw method is one only. But outputs are how many? Two. Pen is one only. Multiple refills. Draw method is one